There's a lot of conversation about inclusion. The word is on the rise right now, especially in technology companies and large companies. Inclusive design is a sharp lens that helps us bring all those different disciplines together around a human-led way of thinking about what we make. I would much rather inclusion be the smart thing to do, or the business appropriate thing to do, or the economic thing to do. I do believe it is an important moment for those of us that practice design to think about what's been missing in our discipline and how we build better practices for thinking about diversity of human beings. My hope is, in my work at Google, is to have an impact with the team in how we think together about human beings